Back with the Discovery 2. This is the red one we've been doing. We've done pretty much everything on it now. It's had bearings and everything else in the wheels. I've got a problem with this light. When you turn the ignition, everything comes on apart from the 3 amigos, but that light doesn't go off even when the handbrake is removed. We've checked the fluid and we've checked the handbrake switch. Both are fine and both work. It comes up on here with that fault, shuttle valve electric failure, the switch failure. It also has got no other faults, but the reason it's got them faults are that it had to have all new ABS sensors and everything, which we've done. So hopefully them faults should clear. What we'll do is we'll try clearing these faults and see if that light goes off first before we fart about with anything else. But we've had a quick look into it and it does say that the shuttle valve is in the ABS block, which is under the bonnet here. We're just cleaning these connectors out with a bit of electrical spray using this professional Holt electrical spray. Spray in them connectors, put it back on, we'll clear the fault, see if it does anything. If not, there will be a video to follow on removing this ABS system and pump and getting the shuttle valves out and giving them a clean. Okay.
Clean it, sell it.
Update on this light here. As you can see, ta-da! Boosh! Ta-da! That's fixed. That comes on and off. So all these things with shuttle valve and everything that everybody was saying, and the fault with shuttle valve that we've decided not to look at anymore because we've cleared it and it's gone. We have got the LR2 iCarsoft and reset the BCU codes, and that's gone off now, and we're sweet as a nut. So that was the main issue we had left with it. So if you have that light on and it won't go off, and you've got no reason why your fluid's okay and your switch is okay in the handbrake there, then plug it in and reset the BCU codes, and hey presto, ta-da, it's gone.